Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. Don't linger. Click the three-dot menu at the top right, then choose Settings and Privacy and Security. This gives you the controls you need. If you use a Google account, make sure you're signed in so deletion can sync across devices. Once done, open Clear Browsing Data. That's the first actionable step because it collects all the items you can remove, like searches, cookies, and cached files. Now you decide what to remove and why. In Clear Browsing Data, switch between Basic and Advanced to see more categories. Advanced shows autofill, site settings, and hosted app data. Choose a time range that matches your goal. All time erases everything, while shorter ranges limit the impact. Check browsing history and search history so queries disappear. Include cookies and cached images if you want fresher page loads later. Make sure to review selected items before confirming to avoid losing useful. Finish by clicking Clear Data and wait until Chrome confirms completion. That removes the search entries you selected. If you still see history, make sure Chrome Sync didn't restore items. Go to your Google account, open Data and Privacy and Clear Web and App Activity or pause sync. If issues continue, restart Chrome or sign out and back in to force sync. As a preventative step, use incognito for private searches, so future queries aren't recorded locally or synced across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.